Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the servlets interview questions. Let's move on. How many objects of servlet is created? Only one object at a time of first request by servlet or web container. What is the life cycle of servlet? Servlet is loaded, servlet is instantiated, servlet is initialized, service the request, servlet is destroyed. Who is the responsible to create the object of servlet? The web container or servlet container is responsible for creating the object. What are the life cycle methods for a servlet? Public void init. In it is this method is going to invoke only once. Our first request comes for the servlet. It is used to initialize the servlet. Public void service. It is invoked at each request. The service method is used to service the request. Destroy method. It is invoked only once when servlet is unloaded. What is the difference between print writer and servlet output stream? Print writer is a character stream class, whereas servlet output stream is a byte stream class. The print writer class can be used to write only character-based information, whereas servlet output stream class can be used to write primitive values as well as character-based information. What is the difference between get and post? In the case of get, limited amount of data can be sent because data is sent in a header. In the case of post, large amount of data can be sent because data is sent in a body. In the case of get, not secured because data is exposed in the URL bar. In the case of post, secured because data is not exposed in a URL bar. In get method can be bookmarked independent. In post cannot be bookmarked non-independent. In a get, it is more efficient and used than post. It is less efficient and used. These are the main difference between get and post. Who is responsible to create the object of the servlet? The web container or servlet container is responsible for creating the object in the servlet. When servlet object is created at the time of first request, what is the difference between generic servlet and HTTP servlet? The generic servlet is protocol independent, whereas HTTP servlet is HTTP protocol specific. HTTP servlet provides additional functionalities such as state management, etc. What is a servlet collaboration? When one servlet communicates to another servlet, it is known as servlet collaboration. There are many ways of servlet collaboration. Request dispatcher interface, send redirect method. What is the purpose of request dispatcher interface? The dispatcher interface provides the facility of dispatching the request to the another resource. It may be HTML, servlet, or JSP. This interceptor can be also be used to include the content of another resource. Can you call a JSP from servlet? Request dispatcher RD is equal to request dot get, get request dispatcher RD dot forward request comma response. Difference between forward method and send redirect method. Forward sends the same request to the another resource. Send redirect method sends new request always because it uses the URL bar of the browser. Forward method works at server side. Send redirect method works at client side. Forward method works within the server only. Send redirect method works within and outside the server. What is the difference between servlet config and servlet context? The container creates object of servlet config for each servlet, whereas object of the servlet context is created for each web application. What is the session tracking? Session simply means a particular interval of time. Session tracking is a way to maintain the state of the end user. HTTP protocol is a stateless protocol. Each time user requests to the server treats the request as the new request. So we need to maintain the state of an user to recognize to a particular user. What are cookies? A cookie is a small piece of information that is persistent between multiple client requests. A cookie has a name, a single value, and optional attributes such as comment, path, and domain qualifiers, a maximum age, and a version number. What is the difference between cookies and HTTP session? Cookie works at client side, whereas HTTP session works at server side. What is filter? A filter is an object that is invoked either at pre-processing or post-processing of a request. It is a pluggable. How can we perform any action at the time of deploying the project? By the help of the servlet context listener interface. What is the disadvantage of cookies? It will not work if cookies is disabled from the browser. How can we upload the file to the server using servlet? One way of the by multi-part request class provided by the third party. What is load on startup in servlet? The load on startup element of servlet in web.xml is used to load the servlet at the time of deploying the project or server start. So it saves the time for the response of the first request. What if we pass negative values into the load on startup? It will not affect the container. Now servlet will be loaded at first request. What is a WAR file? A WAR file is a web archive file specify the web elements. A servlet or JSP project can be converted into the WAR file. Moving one servlet project from one place to another will be fast as it is combined into a single file. How to create a WAR file? jar-cvf abc.war star. What are the annotations used in servlet 3? At the rate web servlet. This is used for servlet class. At the rate web listener. This is used for listener class. At the rate web filter. This is used for filter class. Which event is filtered at the time of project deployment and undeployment? Servlet context event. Which event is fired at the time of session creation and destroy? HTTP session event. Which event is fired at the time of setting, getting, or removing attributes from the application scope? Servlet context attribute event. What is the use of welcome file list? It is used to specify the welcome file for the project. What is the use of attributes in servlets? Attributes is a map or object that can be used to set, get, remove in request, session, or application scope. It is mainly used to share information between one servlet to other servlet. Thanks for watching. Thank you.